Good morning, students. Welcome back to your GK class. So, all of you take out your GK book, page number 22. Now, all of you put classwork, today's date here. Now, today you have to choose the correct answer. Options are given. You have to choose the correct one. So, are you ready? Let's start our work. So, number 1, first all of you repeat after me. The earth is a star, planet or ball. The earth is a star, planet or ball. The right answer is planet. So, put a tick on planet. So, earth is a planet. Number 2, the sun rises in the north, west or east. The sun rises in the east. Put a tick on east. Third one, the earth is surrounded. Repeat again. The earth is surrounded by air, water or fire. The answer is air. Put a tick on air. So, the earth is surrounded by air. Okay, children? Now, the next one. The time when the sun rises is called. The time when the sun rises is called dusk, dawn or night. When sun rises is called dawn. So, put a tick on dawn. Fifth one. The moon goes around the earth, sun or a star. The moon goes around the earth. Moon goes around the earth. And earth goes around the sun. Okay. Now the sixth one. India is a city, state or country. India is a country. Then the Himalayas are in the south, east, north of India. The Himalayas are in the north of India. So put a tick on north. Camels are useful in deserts, mountains or forest. In desert you can see the camels. Only camels you can see in the desert. That's why we learnt that camel is called the sheep of the desert. Then a day has 10, 12 or 24 hours. A day has 24 hours. That means 24 hours make a day. Then next one. The elephant, giraffe or horse has a long neck. Who has long neck? Giraffe has long neck. So, giraffe. Horse has mane and elephant has two tusks and a trunk. You know, children? So, the earth is a planet. The sun rises in the east. The earth is surrounded by air. The time when the sun rises is called dawn. The moon goes around the earth. India is a country. The Himalayas are in the north of India. So, in our north side, you can see the Himalaya mountains. Then, camels are useful in deserts. A day has 24 hours and the giraffe has a long neck. Have you done, children? Okay. Now the next page. Put a cross over here. No need to do this page. Go to the next page. See, rhyme times. So, answer this question about nursery rhymes. I hope you know these rhymes. So, you have to write the answer only. What did the dish run away with? See the picture. This is a dish and this is a spoon. So, the dish ran away with a spoon. So, write the answer spoon. S-P-O-O-N, spoon. Then see the next picture. The grandma and her grandchildren are here. What did the old woman feed her children? What did the old woman feed her children? Write the answer broth. B-R-O-T-H, broth. Broth means like a soup. Then, what was the color of Mary's lamp? I hope you all know the poem. So, Mary's lamp is white in color. So, W-H-I-T-E, white in color. Then, what did the cow jump over? See the picture. The cow jump over the moon. So the answer is moon. M-O-O-N, moon. Done, children? Okay. And the next one is very interesting for you. You like to watch cartoons, no? Let's see how much you know about the cartoons. So, cartoon capers. See, the clue box is given. All the cartoons characters' names are here. You have to choose the correct answer. Then you will write here. Clues are here. First one. It is a clever little yellow bird. It has blue eyes and a big head. See the picture? So, the character is Tweety. So, T-W-E-E-T-Y, Tweety. Next one. This sea captain grows super strong after eating spinach. Answer is Popeye. P-O-P-E-Y-E, Popeye. Who is Tom? See the picture. Tom is a cat. Whose best friend is Tiger? See the picture. Can you identify? Who is he? Winnie the Pooh. Winnie the Pooh. W-I-N-N-I-E. Winnie the Pooh. Next. Who saves Nobita when he is in trouble? Doraemon. Doraemon saves Nobita when he is in trouble. You have to write only the answer, means one word. Doraemon. He is an ogre. His name starts with an S. Name him. So who is that? See the picture. He is Shark. S-H-R-E-K, Shark. His roll number is 21. Who is he? See the picture. He is Krish. K-R-I-S-H, Krish. Raju, Jaggu and Chutki are his best friends. Who is he? He is Chota Bheem. So C-H-O-T-A, Chota, B-H-E-E-M, Bheem, Chota Bheem. Next, who are Blossom, Buttercup and Bubbles? Who all are Blossom, Buttercup and Bubbles? Powerpuff Girls. Powerpuff Girls are Blossom, Buttercup and Bubbles. Jack is the best friend and neighbor of Oggy. So O-double-G-Y, Oggy. Have you done, children? I hope you know all these characters' name. And if you don't know, so learn this. Okay? So today till this much. Next day we will do our next topic. Thank you and have a nice day.